I was gracious to been raised in Alabama. We had a daddy taught me how to survive while we were sledding some shade under some Alabama pines. Time the light back in that away. Stop with old Holly days. Don't let people stop you from doing what you want to do. Go, Cowboys, don't fight. Some people use music as a reality to escape life, or use a vice versa, taking it as a way to fill the show. Satellite back in the days. Those days. Yes, I always those dreams. Don't let people stop you from doing what you want to do. So, that is back. Some people say that's true. Even say so much. I can't look at things from around it's like those days when I'll always I live so years. Don't let people stop you from doing what you want to do. So, Cowboys don't back down. Don't back down.